of the benefits, right? You can only remove one drawer at a time. So if I have this drawer out, I cannot, it won't allow me to pull another drawer out.
Oh, that's cool.
All right. When I have the drawer out, I'm going to spin the fans up faster to compensate for the airflow that I'm removing.
Okay.
To replace a drive, if I have a failed drive, it's push the button, unlatch the drive, and remove the drive.
Very easy. So can you talk a little bit about the dampers and the things that you put in here to eliminate any I/O issues when you do service?
As I said, you can only pull one drawer out at a time. I can push this guy in as hard as I want, and I'm not going to impact what's going on the storage rack. Okay. Again, we understand availability, we understand reliability, we understand performance. Our job, or our array's job, is not to impact the customer's ability to get their job done. So I don't have to do this offline. I'm going here and change it hot.
Yeah.
Again, I'm only moving 12 drives. I'm not moving 60 drives.
Right.
Because the enclosures, I don't care whose enclosure, they weigh a lot.
Yeah, the enclosure is about what, 200 pounds? So when you take the whole enclosure out, if it's 200 pounds, you need some pretty substantial.
Well, then you need legs to sustain it.
Yeah.
We did a great job engineering this product.
Very cool. Okay, great.
And as I said, these support up to 2 terabyte drives, 2 terabytes of shipping. So 60 times 220, times 2 terabyte is what?
120
terabytes.
Terabytes
Per tray.
Per
raw.
tray. Okay.
So,
and again, what's the connectivity behind these?
This is fiber channel.
So you can connect
it. SAS.
Okay.
I mean SATA. I'm sorry, SATA. The connection to the controller is fiber channel.
So instead of using this behind the 4600 controller, you could put it behind the server with a fiber channel card and have a lot of storage?
Well, not supported.
You're not supported. So it's only supported behind 4600.
The other thing that I forgot to mention is we can trunk these trays. But let's go in the back and I'll show you what I mean.
Okay.
We have, on the back of the controller, we have 8 back-end drive ports per controller.
For the 4600.
Right. If you notice, let's see if we can move the cables out of the way. Normally, I would only connect one connection to the controller. I can trunk these and use all the connections behind the controller.
For a single Wembley.
Right. I'm using 4 connections.
Okay.
So I can, if I put 8 trays behind here, I can use 16, all of my 16 back-end connections. So I'm maximizing the bandwidth, maximizing the performance to the disk. And if I trunk them, the array, the controller knows that they are trunked. So again, it's just, you know, to get more performance through the box.
Right, more throughput, yeah, absolutely.
And as you can feel, they run relatively cool.
Yeah, it is cool. Okay.
Great engineering.
Joe, thank you very much.
Thank you, Leroy.
We're here at the LSI Lab with Joe and Lior. Thank you.
We're stars.